All right, guys, right here we got blowout box number 13. The chase coin is a 2015 West Point Silver Eagle. It's like worth 5 grand. NGC PF70 Ultra Cameo. There's also some really cool other coins in here that they're calling them double value boxes. So these are 200 bucks, spent 200 bucks on this on blowout box 13. And pretty much there's like some double value coins in here too. So you're guaranteed, I think, a minimum of 3 coins, unless I guess you get one of the chase coins or something. I don't know. We'll see. We're going to find out. I haven't even opened it. Literally, we just got this bad boy in. So we're going to open the whole thing right here with you guys. See what we got going on. These are actually, I literally just checked. They're still available, the blowout box 13s. I actually already ordered the, I caught the break yesterday on the Carson City drop. The first NGC Carson City drop was yesterday, and we caught that also. And that sold out pretty instantly. That was a big one. But these tend to stick around for a little bit. I got blowout box 12, and this is number 13. So I think this will be around for a little bit. I believe 12, yeah, 12 already sold out from what I know. So let's see what we got going on in here, guys. It's exciting opening these things up, I gotta be honest with you. Will you find the jackpot box worth up to 5 grand? And I guess that's that chase coin, right? There's only one of those, and these are limited, I believe, to 300 boxes, so that's cool. Got this thing going on, cool, right on. Toss that to the side. Here's what we want. We want this bad boy. Looks like it took a little bit of a beating in on the route, but there it is. My last one, look, it was like opened from here. My blowout box 12 was opened. I was kind of bummed. It was like halfway open. So this one's nice and sealed. I almost got another one. Maybe I will get another one and just keep it sealed for a little while and kind of build the excitement that way. But guys, let's get into this one. Let's open this one up, see what we got going on in here. Ooh, it is exciting opening these things. And listen, I did not get one of the chase coins in blowout box 12, series 12, and I was still stoked, guys. Check out the video to see on what I got in there, but I really was happy with the coins that I got in there. So very happy with these so far, and that's what made me say, hey, you know what, I'll take the gamble on 13, 200 bucks. I'm willing to do that. So here it is, guys. We'll see. I mean, this thing took a little bit of a beating, huh? Definitely not a perfect box. We'll see. It was sealed properly, though, so we'll see what we got going on. It's exciting. It's definitely exciting opening these things up. Whew. I think that's the nice one. I don't know, guys. Whew. It's like it really does. It kind of gets your adrenaline going. What do we got? Don't tell me I got another Samoan pretzel, dude. I got one of these in the first. Oh, goodness gracious, guys. I got one of these in the first. Listen, it grew on me, but I don't know if I want 2 of them. Oh, my God. Okay, so I already know what this is. This is a 10-gram Samoan $1 pretzel, 2024, limited to 2024 pieces. And I now have 2 of them from my blowout boxes. That's pretty crazy. What is this thing? This thing looks kind of wild. What's going on with this thing? Another Samoan? Oh my goodness. They must just have like a bunch of these Samoan pieces, guys. So now I got a collection of Samoan 2024 silver pieces. What is this, like another 10 gram? Yeah, it looks like another 10-gram silver piece, guys. So it's cool. It's cool. It's whatever. We'll see what we got going on with this. This one looks cool. This must be the nice one. This is a 2019 Great American Coin Hunt. I don't know what this is, guys, so I'm going to have to do the research on this. This is the first W mint mark quarter. Don't tell me I got a quarter. That sucks. I don't know. Not as stoked on this one. I think this is literally just a quarter, but I'll have to look up, see what's going on with that. I think this is literally just a 25-cent piece. MS67, Great American Coin Hunt 2019. It's a West Point Lowell 25 cent. Yeah, I think this is literally just a quarter. in a slab. So I got a quarter in a slab. We'll see what it is. I don't know. It doesn't get me too excited. Just looking at it. I'm not excited on getting another pretzel. I can tell you that right now. Not to say that, like, I mean, it's cool. It's, you know, but 2 Samoan pieces in this. Oh, my goodness gracious, guys. I don't know. Hopefully I have better luck on my Carson City box. That should be here in a little bit, but yeah. There we have it, guys. There we have it.